Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new project to share with you. It's one of my book box kits with the mini album inside, all altered in the papers from the Provence collection by Stamperia. And this is what it looks like. So I've taken cutouts from the paper, used a little bit of purple glitter drops from Tonic just to highlight, I don't know if you can see the lavender and the flowers here, I think they're hydrangeas, and some glossy accents to pick out the wording on that beautiful picture. And then on the inside I've done the same. So we've got a lovely jar of the lavender and then the watering can of flowers here. So actually those two pieces are from the same sheet of paper. And then on the inside we have got two tuck spots or photo frames. And then on the inside, on both covers, we've got a nice little photo frame with an acetate front ready to drop pictures in. There's a little one on the left and the larger one on the right. There. And then the little album sits in its box. You can see it sits in there. And then if I take the album out, we've got a little pocket here at the back made out of one of the cutouts and two photo mats sitting in there, just plain on the back, but with that pretty lavender paper and the florals, and they just slide in like that. And you can see I haven't decorated the little box at the bottom, that needs just to be decorated on the inside. And then if I move that out of the way, this is the little album. So it's only teeny weeny, it's only about 1¼ inches deep. So you are limited to what you can put in it, but there is room, you can see, to, once it's decorated, to add your pictures in. So I've taken one of the cutouts on the front, cut out one of the butterflies, and then this cutout was a round one, and I've just sort of cut round the perfume bottle, layered it on black and popped it onto the top because the cutout, the large picture, talks about perfume. So I thought that matched perfectly. And then opening up the little album, we have got a pocket on the front using one of the cutouts from the collection, and that beautiful lavender paper, a large photo mat, and a little cutout that creates a little book. So pretty. So again, I've just picked out and put a little bit of glitter on the front of there just to highlight the lavender and glossy accents on the bow. And that sits in the little pocket. And then there are 4 pages, and each of the pages sits on its own spine, so that actually the spines are assembled before the pages are added and decorated, just to give a different look to the pages. So let me talk you through them. This collection has got a lot of square cutouts, so I've used a magnetic closure to create fold-out photo spots, and then that centre area for photos, and that just keeps the page closed. And then there's a photo mat in each of the pages, black on the back. I love saying that, black on the back. And that just slides into the page. And then flipping over, it's just a little tuck spot under there to put tags in or bits and pieces, whatever you like to keep in your albums. This little page has got a pull down picture, and then just a little pocket on the underside, and again nice area for a photo there, and a pull out photo mat. And behind here there's a wider place to be able to tuck your bits and pieces. And that's from putting the whole page onto the front of the spine. So there is a full PDF on how to decorate this, how to make it, including how to cut out the box pieces and the mini album. So I'll put all the details of all the related products in the video description for you to have a look at. So we've got that nice little tuck spot there, and then this little page has got 2 fold out photo spots, a nice centre area to put pictures as well, and its little pull out mat. I love how the papers all coordinate in this little album. And then again we've got that little tuck spot behind, the little tags, and then a pull down little section with a little pocket on the back of that one. Again, nice area for photo, and a little pull out photo mat as well in the side of the page. And then flipping over, again you've got that little tuck spot there, and then I've created a little pocket on the back of the album. We've got a photo mat that sits behind it, and the second of the beautiful little fold out books from the collection. Again, I've just highlighted the front there with some lavender glitter, and that sits behind this gorgeous little envelope that I've added a magnet to. Now, it was really hard to hide the magnet, so I've just stuck it on and then covered it in the Nuvo drops, waited for it to dry overnight, and then it almost looks like a gem. The other one is behind the envelope, and the envelope folds out, and there are 2 little cards in there that you could write on. Pretty paper collection. And then I've just carried the same paper on from the front, round the spine and onto the back. It's just beautiful. So if you like the project, do have a look at the links below to the project sheet, the PDF, the kit and the bundle and all the related products. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date with new projects as they come out.